Hi everyone, this is Michael from Becker Games. If you haven't seen the introduction to Moonlit yet, you should watch that first by clicking on the annotation. If you'd like to download the example files that go along with this tutorial, you can visit beckergames.com. So let's start up Moonlit. And let's add a sprite. Name it SPR My Plane, and then go to Load Sprite. You can find the image in the Resources folder. Load Sub-Zero, go to Edit Sprite, and add 2 sub-images. Find the other 2 sub-images in Windows Explorer. Open them up and then paste them in. Save changes. Now center the origin, set it to be transparent, and check per pixel collision. Click OK to save changes. Now add 3 more sprites. Name them SPR Island 1, Island 2, and Island 3. Load each of them from the Resources folder, and set each one to be transparent. Then click OK to save changes to each one. Now add a background. Name it Backwater. Load background water. Now create an object. Name it Object My Plane. Set the sprite to be SPR My Plane. Set the depth to be -1. And then click Add Event. Keyboard, left. Add a piece of code, and this code right here will move the plane to the left. Now click Add Event, keyboard, right. Add a piece of code, and this will allow you to move the plane to the right. Now click Add Event, keyboard, up. Add a piece of code, and this right here will allow you to move the plane up. Now click Add Event, keyboard, down. Add a piece of code, and this code right here will allow you to move the plane downwards. Now click Add Event one more time, and click Step. Then click Step again, and add a comment that says Borders, then add a piece of code. This code right here will set the border for the left side of the room. This code here will set the border for the right side of the room. This code here will set the border for the top of the room. This last code here will set the border for the bottom of the room. Save changes to the code. Save changes to the object. Now add a room. Name it RM_main. Place Object My Plane in the room near the bottom. Click on the Backgrounds tab. Set the background to Backwater and the vertical speed to 2. And now test it to this point. You should be able to move your plane around the room, and you shouldn't be able to move outside of the room. Also, the background should be moving downwards. Now close out of the game, and add 3 more objects. Name them Object Island 1, Island 2, and Island 3. Set the sprite for each one, And then for one of them, click Add Event, Create, add a piece of code, and set the vertical speed to 2. And this code here will make it so that it moves with the background. Now click Add Event, Step, Step again, and add a piece of code. This code here will make it so that when the island reaches the bottom of the room, it will respawn at the top of the room. Click OK to save changes. Now copy and paste the create and step code into the other 2 islands. Click OK to save changes to all of them. Now go into room 0 and place the 3 islands into the room. Now run the game and test it out. If you'd like to download Moonlit or this example, you can visit beckergames.com. If you'd like to watch part 2 of this tutorial, you can click the annotation. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome stuff from Becker Games. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy.